Did you know that when Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980, America had zero emergency plans for a volcanic disaster? And emergency dispatcher Robert Hayes was about to face the unthinkable. It was 8:32 on a quiet Sunday morning when his radio crackled to life. A Forest Service lookout screamed into the radio. The whole north side of the mountain just slid into the valley. Hayes watched in horror as reports flooded in. The eruption had the force of 400 atomic bombs. Mud flows buried entire roads under 150 feet of debris. Ash clouds grounded all aircraft. Phone lines went dead across 3 counties. People were trapped everywhere, but Hayes couldn't reach them. Roads didn't exist anymore. Helicopters couldn't fly through the ash. He made a desperate decision: coordinate rescues using ham radio operators when all else failed. As ash began falling on his own dispatch center, Hayes coordinated searches for 57 people who would never be found. The largest landslide in recorded history had swallowed them whole. Like and follow for more incredible first responder stories.